Hi, have you ever wondered why many people, even after having all the skills, are not successful? Even some highly educated people are working for someone who's not that educated. Why? What is missing? Watch this video because I'm going to share some secrets which is going to change the way you think. Hi, today's topic is very interesting. In fact, this topic I've been sharing or I've been discussing with many people for the past few months. There's a big confusion in the market. Many people have watched my videos on sales. In fact, I got 200 plus videos on my YouTube channel, particularly on each language. Okay, in Tamil I got 200 plus, or English I got some 200 plus, in Hindi I got 200 plus. So each were, approximately 200 plus videos. But out of which some 5 videos are on sales. But many people have watched my sales videos. And in fact, I got a lot of inquiries from the sales videos. In fact, one particular video which is on the trend or which is actually going viral is don't sell, make people buy. In fact, somebody said this, like in a network marketing company, okay, they started sharing my videos on sales to educate their members. I'm happy about it. But what is missing is that is only a skill. Sales is only a skill, and which is only 30% for your success. Rest 70% is your energy. So today's topic is energy versus skill. So it's not our fault. Our education system is like that. From our childhood, we have been trained to focus on skills. To make you understand, we all studied some subjects in our schools and in our colleges which is of no use today. Am I right? But we just mugged up and we scored marks also for that. Why? That is our system. That is our education system. So we are again focusing on how do I improve my skills. Like sales is a skill, singing is a skill, dancing is a skill, acting is a skill, and there are some technical skills, electrical or computer expert, programming. Everything is a skill. And as I keep saying, it's only 30%. So you require the rest 70% to become successful. Even many degrees are focusing only on skills. That's the reason many people are jobless, or many people work for somebody who is not that educated also. So what is that energy? Your thought process. In fact, if you've been watching my videos, 95% of my videos are on energy. I stress about energy. Let me give an example. Suppose I train you on sales skills. I give you all the techniques on sales. Even after learning all the sales skills and techniques, you have a small fear. There are a lot of competitors in the market. Can I succeed? Can I really establish my business? Can I really make a profit in this market? Or because of this lockdown, because of this pandemic, there are many people jobless, there are many people don't have money. So will they buy my product? Will they buy my service? So do people have money to buy my product? Or even some say, will people accept me? Can I succeed? Can I make profit? So we can see a lot of fear and doubt. What happens? As I keep saying, fear and doubt is a negative energy. And you are the result of your energy. So when you are vibrating negative, what do you attract? You attract negative energy. So in spite of being technically strong, you still fail. Why? Because of your energy. Because you are vibrating negative. Your thought process is negative. That's the reason many people don't want to take risk. And they work for someone, at least to say that, okay, I can get some money regularly. I always keep saying this. Your money, your health, your relationship, your business, your career, everything is proportionate to your energy. By increasing your energy, you can see a growth in your money, you can see a growth in your business, you can see growth in your relationship, you can see growth in your health, in your career, everywhere. So everything is your energy. As I keep saying again and again, you are an energy being. Energy being. The best way to explain to you is, let us take an example of Mr. Rajinikanth and Mr. Kamal Haasan. Okay, again, this was just for discussion purpose, nothing against anyone. I like both of them. I like both of them. Just for you to understand, I'm just trying to explain with this example. Technically, Mr. Kamal Haasan is much stronger than Mr. Rajinikanth. Like, Mr. Kamal Haasan is good looking, smart, handsome. From childhood, he's been acting. Good dancer, good choreographer, good into direction, good into dialogue delivery, so many things. But on the other side, Mr. Rajinikanth is not fair like Mr. Kamal, or is not good into dialogue delivery or acting or dancing, whatever you just say. Okay, technically, he's not there compared to Mr. Kamal Haasan. But who has got a great fans, even from Japan? Worldwide, who is very popular? Mr. Rajinikanth. Why? Because of energy. So when I say energy, it's only the thought process, the way he is thinking. Yes, I'm Rajinikanth. Okay, I know who I am. So he starts believing more about himself. That energy part, the thought process. And as I keep saying, everybody can be like him. To change, if you can change the thought process, everybody can see that success. The problem is, we have been conditioned from our childhood to think negative. Or we just say, okay, I don't have this, I am lacking here, and the risk factor. So we always first focus is negative. So when we focus negative, we vibrate negative, we attract negative. So if you really want to make a difference in your life, I always keep saying this, you need to change your thought process. You need to change your energy. You need to change your vibration. Again, which is deeper registered in your subconscious mind. And that's what my program is. This program is completely online. You can be in any part of the world. You can reach me out and I can make a difference in your life if you're serious. Again, my numbers are flashing here. Please do call me if you really want to make a difference in your life. And as I keep saying, share this video to as many people as you can so that many people will be benefited out of it. Again, Wilfred Stanley signing off from Rapid Mind Power. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day.